Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to change extension file in Windows 10. Simply guys, we have two methods. I will explain the easy one, so let's go. Okay guys, as you can see we have a video file and I want to change his extension from MKV to MP4. Okay, as you can see, item type MKV file. I want to change the extension file to MP4. Okay, for details we can look here. As you can see, type of file MKV file. I want to change this extension file to MP4. Okay guys, simply go to this PC icon in your desktop, double click. Okay, in the top left go and select view tab. Okay, go right and select here, check file name extensions. As you can see, okay, the file name extensions, check it. Okay, when you finish, click close. As you can see now, the extension of this file appear now. So now we can right click, rename and change this extension to MP4 extension. Okay, click yes. As you can see, the extension file will be changed, so double click. Okay, the file run successfully. Okay guys, that's it. You can do this method to any file you want to change his extension. Simply, easy. Okay, now thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.